I think one thing that we don't understand, or we need to understand as children of God, is that God's will be done. It's not always nice and happy. And it requires us as His children to surrender to Him and really say, God, your will be done, whether it benefits me or not, whether I walk out, but God, your will be done. Even in my single walk, when I speak to single people, as yes, we can talk about having lists and we can talk about dating culture and we can talk about all of those things, but if you haven't reached the place of God, your will be done, then your walk as a single person is going to be a struggle, because you are wanting the culture of the day's will to be done. You look at other people's stories and why isn't it me, Lord? When is it my turn? Because you haven't reached the place yet of God, your will be done in my life. So it's like Job said, whether you slay me or not, Lord, I will serve you. So it's like an advanced place to reach, and unfortunately many people will never get to that place, and they miss out